Let's add locations to our FreshAiR Reality. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're on the Locations tab by clicking on Locations at the top of your screen. From there, you'll want to narrow in on the location that you'd like to specify your reality is at. When you first created your reality, if you specified that this reality is a location-specific one, then you're going to want to type in a location of a city, area, town, or street that you expect users to play this reality at. You do so by clicking in the top left text field and typing in your general location. Google Maps will put you in the general vicinity, and it will be up to you to click and drag your map, either by directly doing so on the map or using the normal Google Map controls to zoom and move your map until you have your reality centered where you wish it to be. When you created a reality, if you've specified it to be a Play Anywhere type, this is less important to actually find a specific place to put the map. But as a general rule of thumb, you'll want to go ahead and put it in a location you're familiar with, if for nothing else than to judge distances accurately. Once you find a place on the map that works for you, it's now time to start putting locations down. Adding locations is simple. You first hit Create a Location located in the top left. Once you've done that, click anywhere on the map to specify a specific location. Next, you're going to want to name it. Your FreshAiR Reality can have as many or as few locations as you wish. Let's take some time and create more locations now. I've created several locations now. Once you've created a location, simply click and drag the location around to move it, or hover over its name on the list on the left to either edit the name or delete the location. Additionally, remember your normal Google Map controls apply. So, if your satellite view is a bit clustered, you can use Map View to load up a simplified version. Keep in mind as a final thought, locations are not what the user ultimately sees in the FreshAiR app. Triggers, which we'll talk about in a later tutorial, are actually what the user will see and interact with in the FreshAiR app. Locations are just specifiers to be placed within triggers.